button, turn notifications, give a huge thumbs up. So today we are going to be doing Lego set, and guys, get what? There's another egg in it. If I haven't seen this video, like there are eggs. It's kind of hard to get open. Egg hard. The egg, can you guys see?
From the pteranodon egg.
Yep. So we are gonna get opening. Guys, we might want to heat it up. No, what? We should. Let's do this. I need to take my
Well, there's Ken Wheatley, all done. Cool. A little like mini backpack. Would have been cool to actually have one. Yeah, blue. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Can I see?
Guys, by the way, this mask that go on a guy, it's very cool. That baby blue. Why?
Wow, it head turns and everything. That's cool. Wow. Turns his head all the way around, just like real blue.
Look at the chicken boat. Guys, just to let you know,
That's really cool.
there,
It's a very light blue.
guys, I had a tea in here, and this tea that go in here, look, I want to give you that thing, that tooth that don't take it. Look.
Tooth doesn't stand.
Oh,
You already lost it. There you go.
Guys, so it should be like a pocket, or it should shut and shut tight. Guys, look how easy.
Yeah, there should be a little spot that it hooks in on.
Guys, look how
But
easy I
you
can
just gotta
move
lose
it.
that.
Really, guys, if I dump it out, it will move right away. But it's pretty cool. Guys, maybe later
There's
in the
Owen.
video, when we're done it, I want to show you how fun it is to shoot.
Yeah, don't shoot it yet. We already tried it. It's, shoots pretty far. Pretty surprised about that. We'll go through it.
My dad shooted it at me and it bounced off my leg. And one day I couldn't see it. And when I see it at my dad, it bounced off him and went by my sister.
See, this visor's, like as I said, a lot better. Really cool, actually. Goes up and down. Suspension's okay, like, see that. It's just meh. Thing is, there's no like alternate face. Most figures do have alternate faces, even the Pteranodon just has a alternate face on it, but also the visor fell off. But that's pretty cool.
And this one doesn't, so that one
The
should
pilot.
be that one. Hey guys, look. You guys can see my finger. Look, I can see that you get a little bit blue. Look how cool this thing is. Look who they are.
Wow.
Guys, that's so cool.
Whoa.
Hi guys, can you guys see me?
Whoa, from inside the cockpit of the helicopter. Whoa. Also, yeah, we've got our reptile.
Look who another dino. Magneto. We're gonna rank him out. You know how maybe later on, after we're done.
What's Magneto doing?
Maybe after we're done doing it, he's watching us.
Yeah, he's hanging out with all his Jurassic Park stuff right at home.
We're gonna take him out, like actually out of the cage. And we're gonna hold him, and we're gonna show you that him. Because he's so cute.
Yeah, he is.
And look what my mom hanged up. My mom wanted him to try and eat it. Like, she wanted to see it.
We got a whole bunch of Halloween decorations.
Oh yeah, guys, can you come to me? Look, Dino. And Dino, how like it was supposed to go, and that's the spider web. And I said, oh, I didn't know.
It's okay, we fixed
So
it.
it's pretty cool. And get a latch shot of needle until we get him out.
Oh, he's going back to sleep. An all cool Jurassic Park poster, Jurassic World.
And guys, look. Guys, look, you guys can see my dad walking. Can you?
Oh! You guys have got your fingers all over. Okay.
So I'm gonna attempt and make a cheetah. 1, 2 feet, and go. Guys, I want to see what my sister had. Look, I'm gonna show you how hard it is to get in. So guys, yeah, we built that already. And now I'm gonna show you how you get it in. This is so important. Like at first, when you try and get it in, it's so hot, literally. And guys, we're gonna bring my needle out soon.
Needle?
Yeah.
Whoa, and like look at Owen's little vehicle, little four-wheeler.
They're really cool, don't you? I can hook glue into my car and oh no. What am I? Oh, baby, you lose it.
It's okay. We'll find the egg.
So guys, here a little cool.
Get a little chicken in there.
It's so hard to
That's
get
what
out.
lures them in.
Oh, you can open these. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can open them.
And I can just put him in. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get him in. So I'm saving Leo. So I have a chicken in my
Owen.
backpack. Owen. Hey Leo, come on. Look, I have a chicken. Yum, 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 yum.
Now that we're done, this one we're gonna start building the helicopter. Well, you already built this little man, pilot. Yeah, sure. Let's build it. Let's do a speed up. It's super cool because it moves. It can go this way up, this way down. Anyway, it can, so when you need to get it, so when you need to get it, you're going to get it. It's up later, but
You don't want the baby to eat it.
you can shoot.
You don't want the baby to eat it. Good, I want to show you.
Track it down. Well, we gotta show the rest of the inside. Okay, so that's the interior. It's pretty cool, the inside.
Guys, sorry.
So show these pieces, right? It's okay, we'll stick them on there.
Guys, can I show you something real quick with the helicopter? Look, on the handle, and these can both move. And look, I need to pick up glue. I need to say glue. Wow.
Hooks onto that.
Okay, and I watch. And we're gonna real quick take my needle. There's glue. So guys, we're gonna take my needle out real quick. Maybe, I don't know, cause we did order some pizza, and look how cute he is. My baby buddy's so cute.
He's trying to get everything.
Oh yeah, his name is Atticus.
Atticus, yeah.
And look at the yummy pizza. It's so good. So we're gonna take my needle out. Maybe, I don't know, because we're gonna eat.
Oh, we'll take them out after. We'll eat first. But what do you guys think about these figures? Like, this is obviously
It's so epic and awesome. So cool. I love the helicopter. I love how it like pins. And I don't really like
cool.
how it like you have to hold it, and when you pin it will like hit your hand and talk. So we're gonna tell you what we don't like about these things, but first we're gonna tell you what we like about these things. So here's what I like about this tractor. This tractor guy took like 5 or 10 minutes, probably, right? And it was really easy, and I like that the egg taps in. And did we tell them what we like or don't like about that one?
Yeah, we told them.
And I like, guys, that this can open, and guys, this took like 20 minutes, right?
Yeah, about that.
The people took like a second. Well, mine took like a long time, like a minute. I couldn't find a way. And guys, better get it. Like that one took like 20 hours.
No, it took like 45 minutes to an hour, I'd say. Aubrey, let's review that. One thing I didn't like is that Ken Wheatley didn't have an alternate face on the back. Most of these figures do have alternate faces on the back.
What I like about them, they have 2 faces, and guys, get what? The hair is
cool, the spotlight.
The body is like the easiest thing to build ever. So with the dino, I don't know how, but guys, look how cool it is.
Whoa, it's really, really cool.
And guys, look how cool the dino is. I gotta open it now. Oh yeah, and one thing out that I showed my dad, that was pretty cool.
He holds on to the chicken. So it's a pretty cool set. I mean, no, this scene wasn't in Jurassic World either. I feel like all these Jurassic World sets are kind of like spin-offs from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. But, I mean, it would have been a cool thing to put in too, is them actually wrangling Blue a different way with a helicopter or something. Aubrey, bring that helicopter back.
Yeah, and guys, real quick, you guys are like, why?
Helicopter's pretty big though.
Really
and underneath, see, it's got wheels. I actually like the wheels part, how it actually turns. So you can kind of like drive it. It's got a little spot that put the egg in.
But
I can put that open in there. It's too small, but it comes out. This whole piece comes out.
Guys, our baby brother thinks right now, but he woke up from it now. He sometimes thinks.
He wants some pizza. You gonna put the egg in there?
I have a baby, and he does it. Tell me in the comments down below.
Alright, so we're gonna play with this after we eat.
And guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you think is a cool one, and what do you think is a cool about it, and let me know in the comments down below how cute our baby brother is. And also let me in the comments down below.
No, he just wants to play on the computer. Oh, he just wants to play on the computer now.
Let me know also in the comments down below what kind of pizza you pick. Mine is pepperoni and bacon. And a little kind, but I take the green stuff off.
Oh, he's going down the volcano. Whoa. Blue gonna save him?
Oh,
oh, that's not saving him at all.
It eating him.
Whoa.
I saved him. I got him. I killed him.
He's eating the lava. Oh, maybe it's spooky then.
Come on.
Oh.
He's really hungry. Guys, look. I can even swallow it. Look, I'm catching it.
Oh.
Now get the maybe not so good to put slime in your Lego.
Yeah, don't get it stuck. Ah.
Well. Oh, I
Don't get it on the floor.
I'm coughing. And guys, me and my sister, we got to share.
Yeah, was this one of the funnest Lego builds?
Yeah, and me and my sister got to like this toy for 1 week or something.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Whoa.
So guys, maybe you'll see a video of us for this toy. Maybe it will be a dino.
Oh no! You gotta get him out.
Guys, look, I have a cat on my hand and I have a boo-boo owie.
Oh no!
Owie.
Owen's gonna save you. Oh, I gotta get him out. Gotta get him out. Oh, ripped his wing off. That's not good. Ugh.
So, people are trying to trap my camera. Where did I go?
Whoa!
They are trapped. But they were trapping him. But he didn't know.
Oh no!
And you found him. So we trapped him down.
Owen!
I
You love Ninja Turtles too much.
I forgot about them. Oh, I better go save Blue. I know it. Blue.
Oh, Atticus is playing with them too. You like Lego Jurassic World too. Ah! Oh no! No! There goes the Jeep. It fell. It crashed. Oh no. Okay. These things are made pretty sturdy.
Guys,
I know some engineers, little ones. Alright guys, what do you guys give this 5 out of 5 for Legos?
100 out of 100 and a 78 out of 100.
Nice.
That
Okay.
was fun. It even fun. And that has fun and kids to it.
So, this will be the end of our video. You guys got a lot of slime and a lot of Legos to play with.
We made it like
Yeah.
a week ago.
You guys play with it down the slide. Why don't you take it down the slide? You want me to put the... Yeah? Do that.
I'll take the helicopter.
You guys go down the slide with them.
I'll take the helicopter down the
Why don't you take the ones with the wheels down? The helicopter's gonna break.
slide. Okay.
No, I do.
Guys, I want to put him down the slide. Okay. Okay, and go.
Whoa!
Oh no, I broke it.
It's okay. We can put it back together. There's Legos for you. Whoa! Here goes Atticus. He wants to play too.